now at the 3M booth at CCIF. I'm joined with Lucas. Lucas, hello.
How are you?
Good. So tell me all about what 3M is showcasing here today. I'm seeing some SEMA products that I saw over in Vegas. I'm noticing the Perfected One Step and also the 8000 Trizact.
Yes.
Tell me all about that.
So, new launch by us, Trizact 8000, new addition to the family along with the Perfected One Step system. It's basically taking the paint out of compounding. So the 8000 is bringing the panel back to life. So we're going now 3000 to 8000, and that's technically your compounding step, and we're moving on to the Perfected One Step, and that's treating it like a polish, and it's with our new purple pads, and it's a purple looking polish. So it's bringing the panel back to life.
Looking forward, what can we expect from 3M just in 2020?
In 2020, we will have, in Ontario, it's approved our new safety system, the 3M PAPR. So these are now approved for use in Ontario. It's a 3M PAPR, it's a self-contained unit. So basically, there's no longer an airline attached to the painter in the paint room. Whether you're mixing paint or whether you're spraying, this is just a belt system that sits on your lower back or on your bum, and it is blowing air through the helmet and through the breathing tube. So intrinsically safe. It's a big charcoal filter, and it keeps you safe in the booth without being attached to a fresh air system. Yeah, so that'll be up and coming.
Is there a tentative release date for that?
Approved as of January 1, so we'll be running with it in the coming days and weeks.
Awesome.
Yes.
All right. Lucas, thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your time.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.